Teemu from Bike and Tuning. Here we have this Z750 Kawasaki. And there's really common problem with there, I'm gonna show you. So the gearbox problem. The gears won't engage properly or don't work very well. First check this, and this is basically €0 fix if you do it on a home. Look, the pedal don't work. So you need to open this all up. There's a bolt behind, and just clean it, sand it, lubricate it really well with the, I don't know, grease. I use thick grease and to prevent this corrosion. I'm gonna show you. Then you just need to wiggle it out somehow. If it would be loose as it should be, this is just gonna plop out easily, no problem. There it is. So rusty. So yeah, clean this well and sand it well from both inside and here. And actually there is this seal kind of rubber here. For this on both sides, so now you can clean it easier. This was really tight, this rust, but yeah, there it is. So easy it should be. There it is. Okay, this is not connected, but the point is that you can see this difference there. So there it is, and this customer wants this pedal to be this high. Usually it's like pointing downwards here, but well, this is what he wants, so yeah. So it is done, it works. What do you think? Did it help you? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, this thing, it's all Z bikes, Z series, Kawasaki Z. 750s, 1000s, everyone they have this same problem. So check this first every time.